Okay, wow. It has been a long time coming, but welcome to my decor, DIY, and interior exterior design channel. Okay, I think I've been talking about this channel for way too long now, and I decided I just couldn't make any more excuses. It's 2020, come on, a whole new year, and I still haven't done it. So this is my first video, and this is my first project on YouTube. Actually, yeah, I've done so many projects, and it just sucks. It kind of hurts actually that I didn't document them, because now I regret it. Now I'm like, oh, if I had that footage, I could have I could have repurposed it or something. But yeah, whatever, here we are. Speaking of repurposing, basically this project is all about repurposing. I went into the garage, and my mom's garage, and I found these storage units that we used to own, that used to belong to Terry actually. And we kind of sort of chucked them into the garage when we didn't need them anymore. We were using them as like bedside table type situations. And you know what? They were and are still really beautiful pieces of furniture, because they've got these wonderful wicker drawers. You know, the texture on that is incredible. But when I was looking at them, I was like, what on earth can I do with this? How can I repurpose this? And I thought, I'm madly in love with matte black currently and monochrome design, so why not turn it into a black and white storage unit? And it actually became sort of a practical thing, because when I was looking online for storage units that I could purchase with wicker drawers, the price was not pretty. Not for me. So I was like, maybe I should actually just like repurpose it, and I don't know, maybe I can sell it, maybe I can start a business, you never know. All jokes aside, it became a practical piece of furniture because we put it next to this couch that only my mom sits on, and it's sort of so next to that couch is like a little charging station, but we never had sort of like a little side table to put all our chargers or our phones on as soon as we're like done using them or whatever. I mean, it's literally always working, so it's a working charging station. And yeah, that's where we placed it, as you'll see in the end. So right now, I think just take a look at how it turned out and let me know if you like it.
Hello guys, I'm going to make Happy Mommy with this team. Going to have so much fun.
Okay, so we're done sanding and cleaning our surface. So I think we should just try it on like a small spot here and see how it looks, and how fast it dries as well. Let me shake this thing. It's not a small spot, but looking really good. Ooh, it's about to look so nice. Alright, now I don't want to mess this up, so what I'm going to do is I think I'm just going to wait for it to dry. And a little trick that I asked my husband actually if I could fix the parts that have maybe dried out badly and they're a bit too glossy or clumpy, and he said we can always sand those again and then just paint over those so that they can be a nice matte finish. But so far it looks really good. I'm happy. What I think we should do here is move to the sun, or rather put these in the sun with the first coat and see how they turn out, and then we'll put another coat if we feel we need one. wonder what do these YouTube people like to say. Oh, please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Well, like, obviously, please subscribe. And like my video and comment and let me know what you think about the project. And I've got other projects lined up. Actually, I went through that entire garage and I found so many things that I could repurpose and so many things that I could freshen up and zhuzh up. Yeah, that's it. See you guys in the next video. Bye.